keeping you connected to our community. 11Connects.
Hello, Southern Colorado, and welcome to 11Connects. I'm your host, Ryan Nelson, and today from Revolution Jewelry Works, we have the owner, Jennifer Farnes. How are you today?
Doing well.
Now, every time Jennifer comes, we learn a little bit more about jewelry and what we need to be doing to protect it, to create something well, but it's the holiday season. And you know, Christmas time, Hanukkah, and every other holiday is coming up. And we see things happen to our jewelry during this time.
We have seen more unfortunate incidents happen with jewelry because of holiday travel. And there's just things that people don't think about. But I always liken it to getting an oil change in a car, right? You're maintaining your vehicle because you're driving it every day. You need to be maintaining your jewelry because you're wearing it every day. And we've just seen really unfortunate circumstances where, you know, we had one woman that had this beautiful diamond ring and she was really excited for holiday travel. And somewhere between her house, the airport, and her destination, she lost her center stone. The whole head just snapped off. And it's one of those things where she was like, I have never had it inspected. I never thought that it was something I needed to do. And she'd had the rig for 25 years. Well, if you drive a car for 25 years without an oil change, when something goes wrong, it's gonna go wrong.
Yeah.
It's the same thing with jewelry. And so this is the time of year that we really encourage you to come in and have your jewelry inspected. Let's make sure everything's tight. Let's make sure there isn't metal fatigue. And also let's make it really clean and shiny for those holiday parties so you can, you know, show off and flash it away. So yeah.
Yeah, you don't want to go to a Thanksgiving dinner and then your necklace falls off, or just like you said, that's such a crazy scenario to have your diamond lost. Oh my gosh, I feel so bad for her. Yeah.
And you know, we really try to give people like options when we do see something wrong with jewelry. And I will say 90% of the time when clients come in, everything is in great shape. It's just a little bit dirty. And we do free cleanings and inspections. It doesn't cost you anything to bring it in and have us check it. But again, when we do find something wrong, we try to give you the best options for repairing it. And sometimes, you know, you've got somewhere that's happening in different places. So, okay, you need to do tips on this part of the ring now, and then visit us again in 6 months or a year, and then we'll check things out. And other times we might take a look at it and say, I think you've been wearing this for 25 years without anything, and now there's a lot of work that needs to be done. But by coming in this time of year, we're going to be able to get it fixed up, cleaned up, and ready for you for the holidays. And whether it's that you're traveling to visit family or you do have those holiday parties to go to, enjoy your jewelry.
In the meantime, would you have any examples of the best practices or ways to protect our jewelry when we're traveling or going to these parties?
You know, when you're at the airport, when you know you're going to be flying, I really recommend taking off anything that isn't completely affixed. So like chains can hang and get caught on things, same with bracelets, even with earrings when you're putting on headphones and taking them off. So minimal jewelry when you're traveling, and then when you get to wherever your destination is, obviously, you know, dress it up. But the other way that you can really get a lot more wear and years of enjoyment out of your jewelry, just day to day, take your jewelry off at night. We do some weird stuff when we sleep, and one of the things that people don't even think about is metal shearing. Because you sleep, you put your hand up under your pillow, you turn in the sheets, and every time you're having those movements, you're actually removing microscopic pieces of metal, and that causes your prongs to wear down really fast. So just take your jewelry off at night. You'll get many more years of enjoyment out of it.
Wow, and I know that seems like common sense, but that's great advice. All of Jennifer's information is on the screen if you want to reach out to her. Thank you so much for your time.
Yeah, thanks.